So let's take a look at number 9. Number 9, going to be, we're still in 5/4. That we're playing the notes G, 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 and then we play A, A. That's going to give us the pattern of 5. And then on the upper voice, we're going to still play the dotted quarters, but like I told you, just with another layering, another, just exploring another possibility with 5/4 and dotted quarters, which is going to be playing a pattern of 5. So not a pattern of 5, sorry, it's going to be a grouping of 5. So let's do that again. So we're playing the bass note, going to be, or the bass line, going to be just playing 5 notes, which is going to give us 5/4. The upper voice, actually, the idea starts with dotted quarters, and then on top of those dotted quarters, those notes, I'm going to group as 5 notes. If you can see again numbers, so we have first note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it grouping? Because I'm playing the same pattern, which actually renewing every 5 notes. The pattern basically going to be E. If you see the first note, B, and then E, and then B, and then E. And then I'm playing again E. That's actually from the beginning. So I'm playing again E, B, E, B, E. So let's see how this one sounds. So again, we're playing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? The only difference, the other example we played here, dotted quarters. Now we're still playing dotted quarters, but just we're going to group them in the following way. The first note here on first string, and then second string, and then first string, and then second string, and then first string. That's it, that's 5 notes. First, which is the first note, second, which is the second note, first again, which is the third note, second again, which is the fourth note, and then first again, which is the fifth note. After that, I'm going to start from the beginning, which is first note, first string again. So the pattern is like first, second, first, second, first, first, second, first, second, first, first, second, first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only thing, I'm just going to play it with dotted quarters over, like with this rhythm. Just with those 5 notes over 5/4. Let's take one more look on this example, just to see it now after I played it, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so let's see how it sounds. Okay, so that was playing 5. Playing dotted quarters, but group them in 5. Now let's take a look, see number 10. Number 10, okay. So number 10, gonna work on something that's actually easier in terms of polyrhythm, but harder in terms of grouping. Again, just to give you, just some ideas what you can do with all the stuff we're talking about. So bass is gonna go back to 4/4. And we're going to play the same pattern, G, G, A, A, G, G, A, A, G, G, A, A. Then the upper voice, basically, we can say we're playing a polyrhythm because we have 4 notes on the bass part, and then we have 8 notes on the upper line. So we can say it's polyrhythm 8 playing over 4, which is basically just 8 notes. But we're going to group them. If you see those numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to group them in groups of 7. So let's see how to do that. So we have the same bass, right? Then the top voice is going to go like that. 8 notes, which is just playing 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But instead of just playing 1 string, which is okay, you can start with that. But then we're going to group it in groups of 7. So how we do that? You can take any combination that's going to give you a cycle of 7 notes, but you can do this one: first string, second, third, second, first, second, third. That's 7 notes, and then you just repeat that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 again. So first, second, third, second, first, second, third, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 again. Okay. Let's take a look again. Now after you saw that, it's getting more complicated. So just take take a quick look to see the example, and then we're going to play it. Okay, so now let's see how we play it. Okay, so that was again group of 7 playing 8 notes over this bass line in 4/4. Now let's take a look. The last example, number 11. It's also about grouping, but it's also again about polyrhythms. So we're still playing 4 notes, the same nice pattern we just played the whole day, and then on top of that, we're playing a grouping of 7 again, but we're using triplets. So that means for every 1 note I'm playing in the bass, I'm playing actually 3 notes on the upper line, on the melody line, like we said. So I'm playing triplets for every note. That means I can say maybe I'm playing 12 notes over 4 notes, or I can say I play 3 notes for every 1 note. So that's the polyrhythm there. But then I'm going to group exactly the same way I group exercise number 10, groups in 7, like 7 notes, but just with triplets. So let's see what we're doing again, and then I'll give you a chance to take a look again. So we're playing here 1, 2, 3, 4. You already know this part. And then other than that, we're playing here triplets. 3 notes for every 1 note I'm playing in the bass. So like 1, 2, 3. So we can start with that. Again, just first string open. Okay, so that's going to be a basic thing to do. Then after that, we're going to try the 7 group. 7 going to be the same way. First, second, third. Second, first, second, third. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only instead of playing 8 notes like we just played the previous example, we're going to play it in triplets. Okay, so take another look and we'll play it.